twin involvement of the Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA, and Sumitomo has been a winning formula to the country's economic development and stability. Today's thorough inspection of the LRT-1 depot in Pasay City assures a trouble-free and smooth operations of each train set for station deployment. And as our Harley Valbuena reports, JICA has an ODA fund of over 64 billion pesos for the construction of the Cavite MRT line.
To ensure the efficient maintenance and operations of the Light Rail Transit, or LRT-1 under Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA funding. This is the aim of the inspection conducted earlier today by officials of JICA and Sumitomo Corporation in the LRT-1's compound in Pasay City. The Japanese executives personally checked the operations in the maintenance area and the LRT-1's depot. All throughout, they witnessed the thorough inspection on the condition of every train before deployment in stations. The pre-deployment inspection is regularly done to make sure that trains and their mechanisms are in good condition to avoid accidents or system failures, especially during rush hours. JICA has an official development assistance of 64.92 billion pesos for the LRT-1 Cavite extension. 32 train sets are currently traveling back and forth on the LRT-1 line, including the third and fourth generation train sets. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.